Yeah, in this video, we're going to do our weekly recap from November 3rd to 7th on call options trading in this video series. And yeah, we made $727. We made it off 3 trades during the earnings season. The other two, we took a loss or almost a break even. And so those 3 winning trades were AMD, Palantir, and Take-Two Interactive. Take-Two delayed the earnings of Grand Theft Auto, so that brought the stock down, which was good for us to make money. AMD was at a record high and it couldn't go any further, and Palantir is just also at a record high, and so that was very good for us. The other stock that we weren't able to make money on, and it's kind of a short squeeze, was Rivian. They had low expectations, and they came out with okay projections, and so they went up, and we had to take a loss on that. And Friday we tried to make one more play on Tesla. If I held that one to the close of the bell, it would have been closed and we would have been profitable, but I got cold feet and I decided to close it out shortly after opening the position. We can look at that at the spreadsheet, but before we do, yeah, overall corporate earnings for tech is doing well. Most companies are beating their estimates and also upping the forecast. But this past week, stocks have rolled back because I guess valuation is pretty high, and for whatever reason, they decided to have the market decide to the majority of the market that dictates the trend has gotten a little bit of cold feet. Friday was incredible though; it was down in the morning, and then the market kind of fought its way all the way back. And then in other corporate earnings, fast food chains, you can see, yeah, they're saying the low income people, young people, are not dining anymore at the restaurants. So it's kind of hurting. So I think in this economy, there's people talking about the K pattern economy, where some people in the economy are going up and some people are kind of going down, and there's a little bit of definitely that being expressed through these corporate earnings. All right, let's go to the. Here's what the spreadsheet looks like for November 3rd to the 7th. We opened up with Palantir on the first trade, and after earnings report, it plummeted. So after selling contract for $2.99, we bought it back for 13 cents and made it's 2 contracts, made a whopping $5.72. AMD, kind of the same deal, but we only did 1 contract. We split that between AMD and Rivian. AMD definitely paid out because it was at a record high and could not go any further. It went down quickly and we were able to close it out. Made $2.54. Rivian, on the other hand, we picked a stock that was beaten down, and I thought EV forecast was going to be crap, but it was okay for them. So yeah, I guess there's a short squeeze, and got out to take a loss, and it was minus $410. Then we moved into Take-Two, and Take-Two, after earnings, they reported Grand Theft Auto delay, and so Grand Theft Auto delay means money down the tubes or something for them. So investors are not happy. Went down. We closed it out for 3 cents, made $3.57. Yeehaw! Friday, we tried to do one more trade for Tesla. It was after Elon's crazy $1 trillion pay package. So we sold 1 contract at $1.90, and the stock was like about $7, less than $7 off the strike price. And then after the video call, I got cold feet, and I decided to, after selling the contract, I decided to close it for $2.36. If we held it to the end of the day, yeah, we would have made money, would have collected $190. But in that case, I decided not to take a chance at the moment, and basically took a little bit of a hit of $46. So all in all, the week was $727, as you can see. And so for November, that's how much we're at. In this video series, we had a record month last month, so we continue to make money in November here. Overall, this video series has made us $11K. So there you have it. Again, for those people joining, it's up to you to decide if you want to do a cover call. Typically, you do a cover call because you already had the shares and you want to make a little bit of money while holding it. So that's the typical scenario, but not the only scenario. And then if you do a naked call, you don't have to worry about the downside. If the stock goes down, falls to zero, you just collect on the premium and you don't get assigned the contract, and you just pocket the premium. All right, so yeah, stay tuned for next week as we continue through earnings season, and hopefully we continue to be profitable. We did come off record month in October. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, because you like it and you like money, and subscribe if you don't want to miss an episode.